Hi, this is the design of a project power generation from exhaust gas. This is an assembled design. This is a boiler and this is a boiler pipe. You can see clearly there is a boiler pipe and this is a boiler to rotor connecting pipe and this is a rotor casing. You can see the rotor blade inside the rotor casing. And this is a generator. The gas from the boiler is to the rotor casing, and after the rotor rotates, the power is generated in the generator. And here there is a stream goes in this pipe to the condenser. This is a condenser and the stream goes to the condenser. After the condensation process held in the condenser, they will move to the boiler again. This is a closed process and it repeats the same. To see the individual parts. This is a boiler and this is a boiler pipe, boiler to rotor casing pipe, condenser to boiler pipe, condenser, generator, shaft for the rotor casing to condenser pipe, rotor blade, rotor casting. For more projects, visit my webpage. Thank you.